In this video, I will show you how you can transfer files from your laptop or your PC to your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, on your iPad, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your iPad. Now after you install the VLC Media Player app on your iPad, then on your laptop, just click on the search box and search Microsoft Store. Now in the Microsoft Store, just search this. From here, just install Apple devices on your laptop. Now basically we will use the Apple devices app so we could access our iPad from our laptop. As you can see, this app is already installed on our laptop. So I'll just click on open. As you can see, we have opened this app. Now the next step is just connect your iPad with your laptop. To do that, just use the charging cable of your iPad and connect one end of the charging cable to your laptop or to your PC. After that, just connect the other end of the charging cable to your iPad. After you connect your iPad with your laptop, your iPad might ask you that do you trust this device? Just select allow or trust, then enter the pin of the lock screen of your iPad. And after you do that, you will connect your iPad with your laptop. Now, as you can see in the Apple Devices app, our laptop has detected our iPad. Now just click on the three lines over here. Then click on the name of your iPad. After you click on the name of your iPad, this menu will appear. Now from this menu, just click on Files. And in the Apps Name section, just scroll down and click on VLC. After you click on VLC, just tap on Add File. And from your laptop, just select the file which you want to transfer from your laptop to your iPad. For an example, I will select this photo. Now I'll click on Open. Now after you do that, as you can see, this is the photo which I will transfer from my laptop to our iPad. Now just click on Sync at the bottom right corner on the screen. And after you do that, you will transfer the selected file from your laptop to your iPad. Now to view the file on your iPad, just open the Files app. And in the Files app, just tap on my iPad and open the VLC folder. And over here, you will find the file which we have transferred from our laptop to our iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.